In this video, I show you how to download and install eFOOTBALL 2027 version. For doing this, go to Play Store, search for eFOOTBALL, tap on it. Now tap on Install it.
What?
For completing the install process. Now tap to play. Now I hope that you successfully download and install eFOOTBALL 2027 version. You can see that eFOOTBALL 2027. This process, downloading some additional file. Continue on to this next 5 puzzles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.